Crocs. Yeah. You can put them into the holes of your Crocs.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah.
To decorate them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Or you might be able to make a bracelet or something with that.
Don't take them apart now, sweetie, because you might lose them.
Open the rest of the things and see if there's something else to go.
Oh, aren't those cute?
I think that you put a little strap through them.
And she got Crocs?
Like, but this it says lace charms. I think you put your laces
Maybe you put them on your shoelaces, even on
they look like they're things for Crocs,
on runners or something.
But yeah, that's what they look like.
Yeah, aren't they cute? Oh, look at that guy! Oh, and Dina had fun buying these things. Didn't she?
I think it might light up.
It lights up.
Isn't that cute?
How would it light up?
Oh, look, he blew a bubble.
Inside that you squeeze them and they light up.
Oh.
Blinking and lighting.
Isn't he a funny guy?
What a weird pet.
Yeah.
This is my sea slug. It's a
There's
pet.
a new pet for you. Hey?
Yeah, and that's
Look, Ursula thinks it's really exciting and funny.
I think Dina had fun picking these things out. Oh, look at him.
It looks like a brush comb. It looks like
Yeah, I know, it
a
does.
brush.
Or like a...
That's
oh gosh,
it.
you'll just get it wrapped in hair.
Or a curler.
Can Ursula look at it for a minute? I won't let her put it in her mouth. Want to feel that, Ursula? It feels really funny. Oh, you want to feel it too?
That's a cute idea for a gift, all these little things that get lots unwrapped.
Oh!
Oh, what's in there? Oh, look at...
I love those. We can add that to our collection.
You can.
They have a little set of them.
Oh, do you? What are they called?
My little pet shops.
Oh, My Little Pet Shops.
Littlest pet shop.
Littlest Pet Shop, yeah.
Littlest Pet Shop.
Yeah. She likes those and we like those.
Yeah, I know Andina likes those too.
Yeah. She gave me a bunny and Emily.
Oh my, look at this box full of stuff Dina bought.
I want to open now.
Yeah, don't worry, you can, sweetie. Nobody's going to take them from you. Ursula wants to eat the sea slug.
I wonder what it is.
Oh, another one. Oh, look, isn't it cute?
Yeah, she's actually sending us some of hers.
Yeah?
She told me that she had some of these.
Oh, nice. Well, she might have bought them too. I don't know, or she might have decided to give away some of hers.
That's a nice big sister you've got, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at Ursula with this like.
Yeah, she likes that.
Oh.
Oh,
cool.
another one, a little doggy.
Yes, I love these
A
things.
purple dog.
Yeah. Looks like you got a bunch more.
Oh, you got nice wrapping paper there.
Yeah, I know, like
Or
it's not
stuffing or
taped
whatever.
up. We can
No.
Present, that is.